Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome blank page icon on your taskbar. This is a common issue where Chrome's icon appears as a blank page instead of its colorful logo, and it can be quite frustrating. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate your Google Chrome application on your desktop. Once you've found it, right-click on the icon to bring up the context menu. From there, click on Show More Options. This will expand the menu and give you access to additional settings that aren't immediately visible in the standard right-click menu. Next, in the expanded menu that appears, click on Properties. This will open a new window that contains various settings and information about the Chrome shortcut. The Properties window is where you can modify how the application behaves and how it appears on your system. Now, within the Properties window, look for and click on the Change Icon button. This option allows you to manually select which icon should represent Chrome on your desktop and taskbar. When you click it, a new window will pop up showing you available icons. Here's where you fix the issue. Make sure to select the default Google Chrome icon from the list that appears. This is the familiar circular icon with red, yellow, green, and blue colors. However, if you don't see the Chrome icon in the list, don't worry. Simply click the Browse button, which will let you navigate to Google Chrome's files manually. Navigate to the Chrome installation folder, locate and click on chrome.exe, and then click Open. This will pull up the correct icon from Chrome's main executable file. Once you've selected the proper icon, click OK to confirm your selection and apply the changes. This should restore the correct Chrome icon to your desktop shortcut. Now, let me show you the second method, which addresses the underlying system issue. Open your File Explorer by clicking on its icon in your taskbar, or pressing Windows key plus E. Once it opens, click on this PC to view your drives. From there, click on the local disk, which is typically labeled as C. This is your main system drive where Windows and most programs are installed. Next, navigate to the Users folder by clicking on it. Inside, you'll see folders for each user account on your computer, so click on the account you're currently using. Now, you'll need to access a hidden folder called App Data. If you don't see it, you may need to enable viewing hidden files first. Once you're in App Data, click on the local folder. This folder contains application data specific to your user account. Here's the key step. Search for the file named iconcache.db. This is the file that stores cached icons for Windows, and sometimes it becomes corrupted, causing icons to display incorrectly. When you find it, right-click on iconcache.db and delete it. Windows will automatically recreate this file the next time you restart, and your icons should display correctly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Google Chrome blank page icon issue using two different methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.